Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. I'm Mimi Melly, the creator of Create Kingdom Plans, and today I'm going to be sharing with you one of my brand new creations. So before we get started, I just want to thank you so much for being patient and waiting for the next video to come. I know it's been a long time, but I'm so happy to be back. So today I'm presenting my very first daily journal. This is called Sunny Faith Daily Digital Journal, and you can find it in my Etsy shop right now. Just check the description box below for the link. So today we're going to be doing a full flip through of this daily journal, and if you're somebody who loves to journal daily or loves to schedule things daily, this journal is for you. It's like half a planner and half a journal. I can't wait to show you guys. Let's get started. During the summertime, I absolutely love using this case, this pineapple case. I have a video on it, you guys, and I'll definitely link it for you if you haven't seen it yet. Okay, I'm super excited to show you what's inside. Let's take a look. So first off, when you click on the rings, it brings you to this page. It opens up the planner for you, or the journal for you. And as you can see, these rings will always bring you to this page from anywhere in your journal. Now this is like your index page. When you click on the crown, you see your bio page. This is where you can add this planner, this journal belongs to, your date that you started the journal. You can add a photo, you can add your strengths, goals, all kinds of wondrous things that you can add here. At the top of all your pages, you'll see your months listed from January to December. And when you click on your month, you'll see a graph page where you can list all the things that you want to do, or your ideas that you want to do, or whatever it is that you're thinking about for that month. You can create this page to be anything that you want it to be. Now, when you click on your daily page, you can write the date, you can write your self-care, you can write your positive affirmation. You have this blank space to write whatever you want, your meals for the day, your gratitude for the day, your to-dos, and even your schedule, which is why I said this is like half a planner and half a journal. So you have that option to really write in what you've done that day, and it really helps you to remember, what was going on that day. Now remember, with this planner and with any planner that you have, you can always customize it to what you want it to be. So for example, I've decided to cover up the gratitude section with a sticker, and you can use this as a prayer section. You can use this as your daily reflection section, something like that. Whatever it is that you want to do, you can always customize each and every single one of these sections. All right, so let's head back to the index page. Remember, you can click on those rings and it brings you right here. The index has 12 customizable sections where you can add whatever it is that you want. And when you click on it, you get different types of paper. So you have a white paper, you have pink paper, you have lined paper, and you get dotted paper, which you can copy and paste them anywhere into your journal. If you want to paste it right after one of your dailies, right after the month, you can do that. So as you can see for mine, I have faves, plans, goals, and notes. Each of them are customized to what I'd like. I can write something about each of those, or I can just do a vision board. Here's a review of how to copy a page. So go to the page that you want. I'm going to use this lined paper, and I'm going to go to the very top, those three dots, and click on it and click copy the page. Now I'm going to go to where I want to go in my journal and go to that little plus button with the page on it. And we're gonna add that page either before the current page that you're on or after. And that's how you get the page to be wherever it is that you want it to be in your journal. You can do this over and over again, and all of your links are going to work. Okay, so going back to the beginning, I'm gonna show you how I use my journal. So as you know, I already have this gorgeous planner, my Spark Hearts digital planner in portrait mode. And I like to grab certain things, especially for my business, and kind of separate it into my journal section. So for example, this is my July, and I don't have that much things going on here, but I don't want to fill this up with my personal life, my goals, my job stuff, and my business stuff. I'm gonna separate it to make it a little bit easier for me to follow and get to. Jotting things down really helps me to remember, so I've written down the things that I want to do for my Patreon, my Fiverr, and YouTube. Well, I didn't write anything for those, but I have some things that I want to write down, and I've begun to set that out in my journal. What's really great about this journal is that you can use this for so many different things. If you're somebody who loves to do bullet journaling and you don't want the planner to be already ready to go, you can use the monthlies and draw them in. You can use stickers to make the planner or journal the way that you want it to be. It can function as a planner, but it does need, a little bit more fixing to make it uniquely the way you want. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'm super excited to be back, and I hope to make videos every single week. Please remember, like this video, subscribe to my channel, and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I make new videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.